There goes Chance.
Kevin just went about 15 feet up one of these hills and flipped over backwards.
You went up the hill?
Up like where Trudy is.
Okay, here comes Art. Looking good, Art. We're going straight.
Art looks like they're called shooting. Yeah, Art! Yeah, Art.
Keep going straight. There you go, buddy. Here goes JD.
Oh, shit.
Oh, I hear no shit.
JD!
Watch out, Corey.
Damn! I got one now.
Brett, good job.
Oh, damn, I missed Brett's wife out.
He's
I
good.
saw them.
Where's Kevin?
Okay, there's JD again.
Kevin in the blue?
Kevin, where's Cat? No, where's hell's Kevin at?
Brett, you're doing an awesome job.
There you go, just stop in a snowbank.
That's what Kevin did. That's going to take him a minute. He went straight up into the snowbank.
JD said he needs a drink.
I need a... I couldn't turn. I was coming right at you.
Alright, has anybody seen Kevin George out there yet?
I saw him when I came down. He was in the...
Oh, there he comes. I see him way up there. Is that him at the top of the hill? Come on, Kevin! Is that him? Yeah, that's him. Watch out, JD. He may take you out. You ready to run?
I'm tackling because I can't move.
What are you doing, dude?
Kevin's George
Hey, you know when you say you get fast, you need to stop?
Yeah. What, are you just going to ski into the bank every time?
Are we going down further?
Oh, we got a long way to go.
We got what?
We're not even 1/10 of the way down.
That's not what I wanted to hear.
Yeah, we're a long way down. But guess what? The next lift you get off will drop you off at the condo. How about that?
That'll work.
Beer and alcohol. Look at Dan's Kevin. He looks like a snowman. Oh, that's hilarious.
No, don't put your skis like that.
Don't?
No, because they're going to go downhill. Turn them perpendicular to the hill.
Oh, I got it.